Welcome back, everyone. I'm going to be making some keychains using this amazing mold from Craspire. All the products that I'm using will be listed in the description box, along with the link to the mold directly from Craspire's website. I'm just applying some Resin Gold powder on the neck of the bottles. Oopsies, my video cut out, and I also had a little bit of a mishap. The Chameleon powders that I'm using, the two smaller molds, yeah, I poured a little too much. You can see the mess on the mat there. I'm using Teexpert's crystal clear resin, and now this is my go-to resin for pours like this. And I love their little handy dandy little mixing cup. This is a 30 mils, and I wasn't sure how much I needed for this mold. So I didn't really have a clear design plan with making these keychains. So I just grabbed a whole bunch of different glitters and glitter glass and shards, and I'm just swinging it. Okay, so I had to mix another 30 mils, and that was exactly enough for all three of them. So 60 milliliters total in resin. Okay, time to demold. They weren't quite cured yet, so they were a little bit bendy, but look how pretty this one turned out. I love it. I had a little bit of spillage over the neck, but that's my fault. I'll just trim that up. Okay, So because I had a lot of the chameleon powder spill into the smaller two molds, it wasn't as transparent as I wanted it to, so I thought I would add some UV resin that's been tinted black with Let's Resin's black resin dye. Then you'll see there that I'm also using Teexpert's UV resin. And I must say, guys, and emphasize that both the crystal clear resin that I'm using as well as the UV resin, I had not put any heat to these to get rid of any bubbles, because there really weren't any. I went ahead and added the keychains to these, and you know, I got fingerprints all over them, so I just decided to just do a final top coat with UV resin to clean everything up. And here they are, guys. I absolutely love this mold. I love these keychains. They're so cute. And I have, since this video, I've made more. They're just so pretty. You can use them for zipper pulls if you want. You can hang them on your purse. They're just amazing. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys all enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.